I'm Katy Parker. I live in Santa Barbara, California, and I'm 37 years old. I've been married for a year to my wife, Kyla. I had gestational diabetes with all 3 of my pregnancies. My BMI was well into the obese category. I just knew that I wasn't performing at my best as a mother or as a wife or as a friend or anything really. So I decided to try Wellvolution. I had this new opportunity and I really needed the support and that kind of shoves, to keep going forward. It just really wanted to make sure that I could stay healthy, lead by example, a good healthy lifestyle for my children. I spoke with a Wellvolution advisor and he suggested Betr Health. So I had a personal coach. He checked in with me multiple times a day. The accountability of me having to show somebody what I was eating all day. I didn't want to send her pictures of Snickers bars or donuts. It was very simple for me to incorporate this into my lifestyle. The recipes with Betr Health were super user-friendly. I wanted to cook meals that my entire family would enjoy and they would help. It's been a huge, amazing experience for the entire family. The kids love it. I can hike to some of the top of the mountains here. Hiking really gives me the zest that I have wanted to feel for life again. Today I feel like a new woman. Prior to the program, I was diagnosed as pre-diabetic. I no longer had that diagnosis. My blood sugars went down 35 points. I've lost 50 pounds. I will implement the habits that I learned from the program every day. It's a no-brainer. I feel like if I can do it, anybody can do it. Wellvolution as a program is a really great gift. To Blue Shield of California, I would really just like to say thank you for giving me my life back.